Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. I hope you guys are all doing well. So in today's video, it's going to be different, right, compared to my other videos. Today, I just really want to make it chilled and just tell you guys, right, just to let you guys know, right, what are the top crypto coins that I have been investing in lately, right? What are the top different, crypto tokens that I have in fact been buying and stacking, right? We all know, okay, that I am in fact a Bitcoin maximus. Okay, you guys know that, and it seems like you guys can agree with that, right? You guys know that I have in fact been investing into Bitcoin a fair bit, right? And yes, it's true, guys. Okay, I have in fact been investing into Bitcoin lately, right? A lot of it, and of course, Ethereum. We can't forget about Ethereum, right? But I have in fact been also investing into other altcoins. So in this video, I want to share some of the coins, right? The top coins that I personally have in fact been buying lately, right, in the market, during this bear market. So that's that. That's today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up and of course subscribe to the channel if you guys have not yet already. I'm super excited to share, the top different crypto coins that I have in fact been buying. Okay, and you guys may agree with me or may not agree with me, right, with some of these tokens. But there's reasons why, guys, I am in fact investing into these altcoins. It's because I believe in the project. I like that, I like what they're doing right behind the scenes and whatnot. So that's why I'm in fact investing into these altcoins. So before we do that, guys, let me just quickly give you guys an update on what's happening with Bitcoin. Even though, yes, not much movement is in fact happening for Bitcoin. But you guys can clearly see as I'm filming this video, Bitcoin right now is currently at still $29,000. Okay, 29,500. Okay, if we go to the 1 hour time frame here, you guys can actually see that Bitcoin is in fact slightly, bouncing back up slowly, back up. So it seems like it really wants to go back up to around, $30,000. Now we saw that happen for Bitcoin a couple of days ago. You guys can clearly see that, right? A few days ago, literally 3 days ago, but it did in fact have another retest back down to the downside. But right now, it looks like Bitcoin, right? It looks like it actually wants to bounce back up to 30K. So we will see, right, what's going to happen with Bitcoin. But let's get into today's video, guys. Okay, what are the top crypto tokens, okay, crypto coins that I have personally been investing in? Okay, so of course, I want to start with Bitcoin. Okay, I want to start with Bitcoin. You guys know, okay, I am in fact a Bitcoin maximus, okay, and it seems like I said many times, you guys can, agree with me on that one. And sometimes you guys call me that, but you guys understand, I don't always just invest into Bitcoin, right? I also invest into Ethereum. Ethereum is also another coin that I have in fact been investing in a lot as well, right? Bitcoin and Ethereum are in fact my two main investments, especially Bitcoin. But you guys understand, I always try to move my money around. So when I'm investing into altcoins, guys, I don't put that much in. Okay, and you guys understand that, right? The dominance for Bitcoin is obviously much higher than all these other coins, right? You guys can clearly see right here, the dominance for Bitcoin is coming at 48.6% and Ethereum's coming at 19%. So the dominance for Bitcoin is obviously much higher. So for all the people out there that are thinking, right, they don't need any Bitcoin in the portfolio, trust me, you're going to need some. You know what I mean? Bitcoin, okay, is the OG coin, was the first ever one, and it moves, guys, right? It moves the market. So if Bitcoin, right, is pumping, then other altcoins, right, majority of altcoins will pump with it. If Bitcoin is dumping, then other altcoins will dump with it. But it's not always like that, right? It's not always like that. Some altcoins, I understand, they move and Bitcoin doesn't move, okay? But majority of the time, guys, especially when we're entering, the next, bull market and whatnot, and we're having a bull run, when Bitcoin is pumping, I'm telling you guys this right now, when Bitcoin is pumping, everything else pumps, okay? So you're going to need some Bitcoin in your portfolio, right? At least. So yes, Bitcoin is obviously my main investment and one of my biggest holdings. In fact, I'm going to show you guys. I'm actually going to name a fair few altcoins that I have in fact been investing in. Okay, I have my phone right here. I'm literally on my portfolio and I can see, the top crypto coins that I have in fact been buying. So first is obviously Bitcoin and Ethereum. Next is Solana, XRP, Chainlink. You guys know I'm a huge fan of Chainlink, right? I've been investing heavy into Chainlink. I like what Chainlink is doing. And I really do believe Chainlink in the next bull market is going to be at least in the top 10 crypto coins, right? And we're going to need Chainlink, you know what I mean, in the crypto space. So that's why I'm really heavily invested into Chainlink. It's the biggest Oracle network, so we're going to need it, right? And next is Cardano. You guys know I'm a huge fan of Cardano. Polygon is also another one. Dogecoin, believe it or not. But yes, I have in fact been buying some Dogecoin, right? A fair few updates are in fact happening for Doge, and it seems like the future for Doge is really bright. So I'm in fact investing into Dogecoin as well, and I've been investing into Doge for a fair bit now, right? And yes, you know, I sold majority of them because I was in fact up in profit, and I'm glad I did. But I'm still continuing slowly to buy Doge as well. But that's that. I've been investing into Polkadot, Litecoin, okay, Gala a little bit, Aave, Axie Infinity, right? EGLD, so Elron Gold, I think it's called. Cosmos, Engine Coin, Uniswap, Sandbox, VRA, so I think it's called Veracity, Algorand as well, and yeah, that's pretty much all of it, guys, right? That I have in fact been investing in lately. But of course, the top coins that I have in fact been investing is obviously Bitcoin and Ethereum, especially Bitcoin, right? So you guys understand, and I've been mentioning this many times now. If you actually look at the market right now, right this second, you guys understand majority of these crypto tokens are so cheap, right? So let me just give you guys an example. Let's go to Cardano, right? And I actually showed you guys this many times. If we go to the all-time chart, you guys can see right here. Majority of these altcoins are going to look exactly like this. Okay, majority of them, not all of them, but majority of them. Okay, exactly what we're seeing right now. So this is Cardano, like I said, and you guys can see back in 2021, we saw an all-time high. We actually saw Cardano reach almost $3 back at the time. $2.9, almost $3 back in September of 2021 when we were in fact in the bull market, right? And you guys can see ever since then, Cardano has been dropping all the way down, right, to around below 30 cents at like 26 cents at one point, 24 cents even, right? I think that was in fact its bottom. Okay, so right now Cardano is coming out 29 cents and it has dropped a lot, guys. And you guys have to understand, right? I'm not saying all these altcoins will go back up to its previous all-time highs in the next bull market. We know the next bull market is in fact about to happen. Bitcoin's going to pump. We know the Bitcoin halving is going to happen, you know, literally less than a year from now. But you guys understand, right? When Bitcoin is pumping and we're entering the, you know, the next bull market, you know, Bitcoin's obviously having a bull run, altcoins will pump as well. Okay, so alt season is obviously right around the corner. So we're going to see a lot of these altcoins pump like crazy, guys. Okay, that's what I want you guys to understand. But you guys understand, majority of these altcoins, yes, I believe personally will easily reach back up to its previous highs potentially. I'm not saying all of them, but potentially. I'm not going to even name any of them, right? Because it might not even happen, but we will see, you know what I mean? But I really do believe some of these altcoins will reach back up to its previous highs and of course reach a new all-time high in the next bull market. And we know the next bull market is going to happen, you know, around 2024 next year, and of course especially 2025. So I really do believe majority of these altcoins will reach back up to its previous highs and of course reach a new all-time high. So it's understandable, guys, why people are in fact focusing on investing into altcoins other than Bitcoin, because the price of Bitcoin is just too high. You know what I mean? And maybe that they don't have a lot of capital, right? A lot of money, a lot of liquid. So they want to invest into, you know, altcoins, right? That are more suitable for them, right? Prices and whatnot, because they want to make that money. So it's understandable. But I'm telling you right now, like I said at the beginning of this video, you're going to need some Bitcoin in your portfolio. Trust me, you're going to need some, you know what I mean? But that's Cardano. Let me give you guys another example, okay, of, you know, all these altcoins, not all of them, but majority of them, in fact, have dropped a lot. Now, that was Solana. Okay, sorry, that was Cardano. Now, let's look at Solana. Let's go to the all-time chart, and you guys can see the exact same thing. The exact same thing right here. Okay, let's go to the all-time chart. Right here. Okay. So you guys can see we saw Solana reach a high of pretty much 250. Okay, of course, in 2021 November. And ever since then, you guys can clearly see that Solana has dropped significantly. So you guys understand, that is a great buy. Okay, right now Solana is obviously a great buy. At one point, this coin was going over $200, almost $300. Now it's only at $23, and at one point it was all the way down at like below $10. So just think about that. If Solana does in fact go back up to its previous highs, you're gonna double your money easily. You know what I mean? So just think about that. Okay, let's just go to another coin, maybe something like Avalanche. Avalanche, here's another one. Go to the all-time chart and you guys can clearly see right there, right, how much this altcoin has dropped. Right, at one point it was all the way at $134, over $100. And now currently, as I'm filming this video, it's currently at $12. So what I'm trying to tell you guys is there's so much opportunity right now to make money in crypto, right? If you want to make money with crypto, okay, in the future, this is the time to buy now, guys, right? And I've been mentioning that, I've been telling guys that many times. Now let's go to an altcoin that I've really been invested in, and that is Chainlink. You guys know I'm a huge fan of Chainlink. If we go to the all-time chart for Chainlink, you guys can clearly see it's the same exact thing. You guys can clearly see how much Chainlink has dropped, right? Chainlink at one point was all the way up at like $50, of course, back in 2021, right? And you guys can see ever since then, it has dropped significantly, right? It's now kind of at $7, below $10. And, you know, Chainlink has been below $10 for over a year now. And I've been telling you guys many times, you know, in my videos where I made videos on Chainlink, this is obviously a great buy right now for this crypto coin, right? It really is to start DCAing and whatnot, right? So you guys have to understand, when you're looking at these prices, right, for whether it's Bitcoin or these other altcoins, you guys understand it's so cheap. We are still in a bear market. Okay, I wouldn't say we are in fact 100% in the next bull market just yet, but I will say this: we are in fact, you know, starting to see a new beginning of the next bull market, right? So we know Bitcoin has in fact been slowly recovering. I'll show you guys on TradingView. If we go to the weekly time frame, right here, you guys clearly see that right there, right? Bitcoin, okay, went all the way down to like $15,000 and it was stuck at like 16K for a fair bit. And this was in fact Bitcoin's bottom, okay, right down here. And ever since then, we have in fact been seeing Bitcoin, you know, slowly pushing up to the upside, right? Slowly recovering back up to the upside. So I will say that we are in fact seeing, you know, early stages of the next bull market, but I want to say we are in fact, you know, 100% in the next bull market just yet. We are still in a bear market, so that's good. Why is it good? Because it gives us time to still stack and accumulate and invest as much crypto as we possibly can. You guys understand, a lot of these altcoins are still cheap. They're still dirt cheap, nowhere near its previous all-time highs where we saw them, you know, in the last bull market back in 2021. So that's why, guys, it's still a great buy. But just know, this is going to change very soon. I told you guys many times, the Bitcoin halving is about to happen very soon. Alt season, okay, is about to happen as well. So that means Bitcoin's going to pump, and a lot of these altcoins that we aren't like seeing in the market right now are going to pump as well. So if you want to make money in crypto, you better take advantage right now with these prices. Now, of course, this is not financial advice, so please, guys, always do your own research. But guys, I want to go ahead and end today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I just really wanted to, you know, make something a bit different, just to let you guys know, keep you guys updated on what, you know, personally I have in fact been investing in lately in the crypto market, what coins I personally have in fact been buying. But those are in fact my top picks. Okay, and of course, you know, things like BNB that I didn't mention, whatnot. I used to invest into BNB. For some reason, I don't anymore. In fact, I don't even hold any BNB. I remember I was up in profit in BNB, okay, in this coin right here, and actually sold it and I reinvested it into Bitcoin, okay, and that's what I have in fact been doing. You know, something like Shiba Inu, okay, I don't invest anymore, okay, it's actually up, you know, 5.8% today. I really do believe SHIB is going to perform pretty well, you know, in the next bull market, but I haven't thought about investing into it, right? Because my main focus is obviously Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? Especially Bitcoin. But you know, when I'm investing into these altcoins that I'm up in profit, majority of the time, yes, I do in fact sell them and I do reinvest it into Bitcoin, right? That's just what I do, guys. Okay, so that's that. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers. I would really appreciate that. And I catch you guys all in my next video. Have a blessed day, guys.